Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to use the law of exponents to rewrite and simplify the expression. So for a, we have b to the 8th times 2b to the 4th. So the first thing we can do is, if we have this product here to some power, we can separate it. So this is b to the 8th times 2 to the 4th times b to the 4th. So we can move this 2 to the 4th out front. 2 to the 4th is 16. Then we have times b to the 8th times b to the 4th. And this is equal to, when you have these two multiplied by each other, multiplication, you add the exponents. So this is b to the 8 plus 4, so 16b to the 12. For b, we have 6y cubed to the 4th over 2y to the 5th. So the first thing we have here is we have something to the 4th. And again, we can separate what's inside. So this is 6 to the 4th times y cubed to the 4th. This is over 2y to the 5th. So what is this? Well, 6 to the 4th is 1,296. Y cubed to the 4th. If you have one exponent to the other exponent, you multiply the exponents. So this is y to the 3 times 4, so y to the 12th, over, we just delineate these, 2y to the 5th. 1,296 divided by 2 is 648. And we have y to the 12th divided by y to the 5th. If we have one exponent divided by the other, we subtract them. So this is y to the 12 minus 5, or 7. So for these two expressions, a is equal to 16b to the 12th, and b is equal to 648 y to the 7th.